Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a wig review. I've not done one of these in a while and I thought I would grab one. Paula Young was having a really good sale. They're having actually free ship and I'll show you that code here in just a moment. But here is the box. The name is Misty. And if you want to see what's in the box, keep watching. I will have all of the details on this wig listed down below in the description box. So just be sure you go down in the description box if you want to see more details on this wig. And keep watching. Here it comes. So let's get into it. All right. So here is the box. And it did come with a little pamphlet. This box came in a bigger box, but it was just a regular cardboard shipping box. So Paula Young, free shipping on your next order of $39 or more. So there is that code if you guys want to order anything. That was the generic code it comes in, I guess, whoever orders box. Here is the Paula Young box. Here is all the information. This is Misty, and the color is 10/26 #6. This is an average cap, so it will be a little bit snug on me. But yeah, this is Misty, and I can't remember exactly what the picture looked like. I want to say it was kind of a cute angled-ish bob. Yeah, so let's pull this back into a really short little pony at the bottom. A little nub down here at the bottom. I have my little wig grip here, and it's going under the pony and above the right ear. All right, so I have not taken this out and looked at it. There is the tag. It has all the same information on it as the box, and then some information on a WhisperLite, how to clean it, how to dry it, making your wig last. Oh, the color looks nice. On a peek at the color, it looks like brown with some blonde highlight. It does come with a wig cap. Has little bobby pins in here that it is tucked down with here. So I'm going to pull these off of the bobby pins. Oh, I pulled a little bit of hair through, but we'll just poke that right back through. Okay, so I'm gonna get my hand up in here and show you the cap. This is completely open wefted, a little bit of extended nape, Velcro ear tabs, which look like they're extended out as far as they will go. That's good. Felted ear tabs. This is a basic cap construction, not a lace front. And then an open wefted top too. So let's flip her around, and oh, she looks like a shag. I don't know. I'm scared now. I don't remember the front looking like a shag, but I do like these rooted colors. There is some permatease in there. Can you guys see that? I'm scared now. Where's like the part? Okay, I'm not taking the tag off this one because this, I don't know. I don't remember it looking quite like that. So we're going to leave the tag on. There's the tags. It says Paula Young, and then there is the size and the color and the style. And I'm going to take my little ponytail and tuck it up under. Hopefully it's up under. I feel very, very Farrah Fawcett already. And we are going to lift this up and scoot it just a little bit to just my widow peak showing, and not to the wig grip. But I like that color. Okay, this is just a pit comb. I'm not exactly sure which way this part was supposed to go, but it's looking like it wants to go this way. Okay, that's a lot better. I was scared at first. Oh my god, goodness gracious. Okay, let me find my ear tabs. Make sure I am lined up. But there is the basic cap construction. No lace fronts. I like the feel of the fibers. It is light. It's not a whole lot of hair. I know you can probably see that bump on my ponytail back there, but I'm going to turn around and let you see. Now, I did bring out some clips because I wasn't sure what she was going to be like. And this is actually my natural part, is this side. And you guys see me clip this way all the time. So that's kind of natural for me to do that, is to clip my hair up that way. I kind of like it and I kind of don't. What do you guys think? All right, I'm just going to set the box back here and shut this drawer and give you like some side profiles. Now that's a bump of my ponytail. I could have went a little bit lower. Not too long. This reminds me a lot of Kirstie Alley. Do you remember back, was it in the 90s, Kirstie Alley kind of had the same color hair and the same kind of style? Or is that just me thinking that? This was, I can't remember, I had it wrote down. Give me that box back so I can get my paperwork out of it. Let's see. Okay. I don't remember what it retails for, but I got it for $37.49, and then there was tax, and then there was shipping. But right now, you saw there's a free code for shipping, so that would save you $10 on the shipping. And yeah, so it's under, right at $50, under $40 with before the tax and the ship. So very inexpensive for a wig, and I love that rooted color. I feel like I've got a cowlick going on back here. And I would train this to go over this way a little bit more, like that. I'm not putting anything on it. This is straight out of the box. That, just like that. Just stay like that. That is super cute. That is super cute. It is average. I would cut the bands out. I'm still on the fence on if I want to keep this one or not. So I'm not going to cut anything at the present moment. That is really, really, really cute, guys. And for the summer, it is a WhisperLite, which is why it's completely open wefted, so you can get plenty of air. It's not real long. It's not real short. It hits right at my shoulders. I really like that. If my forehead was just a little bit higher, if I had a bigger forehead, I'm going to scoot it back just a tiny bit. And you can just see a little bit of my hair peeking there. Give me a little bit more forehead. That's cute. I didn't think it was going to be that cute pulling it out of the box. It looked like a shaggy mess pulling it right out of the box. But guys, that is really cute. I think I'm gonna keep it. Let me know what you think. I'll have to go back and watch so I can see what the back looks like, minus the bump of my ponytail. Super, super cute. This right here though, I wonder, I'm gonna have to look to see if this, I know it's not a heat defiant, but I can steam it or train it to go more this way. See, just by playing with it, just train it to go in. There we go. Yeah. I really like that rooted color. And see, you can see like, it looks like kind of like scalp in there. It doesn't look like wefting. See, it looks, if you're just kind of glancing, it doesn't look real wiggy. It doesn't look wiggy. Or at least I don't think it does. I think I'm gonna keep it. Oh my gosh. I like it. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this one. I think this is probably my favorite one yet. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and be sure you give this video a thumbs up. Be sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.